Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Cash App PIN. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser and make sure that you're logged into your Cash App account. From the left-hand side menu of the screen, click the Settings button. Scroll down to Security and you'll be able to see an option that says Change PIN. Give it a click and enter your current cash PIN. With the help of your keyboard, type in a new PIN that you'd like to change to. Repeat your PIN by typing it again and wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to change your PIN on your Cash App. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.